Hi guys, it's Diamond, and here is a slate playlist on my desk, and you can see I already stitching the buttons she want. Yes, you can see, and the button is very beautiful on the slate layer. And this is an A5. It's an A5 regular size cover, and inside she will going to make a roof pocket and a piece of the folio pocket. Yes, I think there are still a lot of people don't know about the roof pocket here, and I'm so glad that I have this opportunity to make the roof pockets again, and later you will know how's the roof pocket, and it's really good useful for your notebook. Okay, so let's make it now. See you later. Hey guys, I'm back. And the slate A5 regular cover is here. Yes, you can see the outside is like this, and the slate is a very peppery and very floppy layer. So you can see there's a lot striations and very textures on the covers, and it's very beautiful. And you can see closed and the front. Yes, because the layer is very thick, so when you hold it, it will very sturdy. You can feel it, and also you can squeeze it, very juicy. Yes, and let's go inside. Yes, it's a roof pocket in the back and the folio in the front, and it also can be the folio. You can slide your notebook covers to here. Yes, and here have 4 card slots here, and this one is a big pocket under the 4 card slot. And you can see I just stitching till here, not to the top, because if I stitching to the top, it will too deep. It will not easy to take out your stuff inside. So I especially to stitching and stop here. Yeah. So you can see like this. Okay. So this is the A5 regular in the slate with the very functional and useful pocket, the roof pocket. And if you guys didn't see the roof pocket before, and today you can see this beautiful roof pocket, and I think if you see it, you will love it, and I wish it will become very popular pocket in my shop too. Yes. Okay, so this is the slate A5 covers here. Yes, I'm so happy to make this cover today, because I have a long time no make the A5 covers. Okay, so hope you guys will love the video, and see you guys soon. Bye bye.